Alright guys, we're gonna need half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, quarter cup of almond flour, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Alright, so I melted the butter already. Throw in the almond flour, baking powder, and the egg. Make sure you have no shells in there. And then you mix it all up. Alright guys, should look like this. Pause. Stop. Okay. Alright, so looks like a little piece of bread, nice and hot. Alright, I'm gonna cut this in half so we can have 2 slices. Boom. There you go. Wait for it to cool down a little bit, then I'm gonna toast it in the microwave. Toaster.